deaf on the gully side in Cassava Piece with a very special guest who has a song with a very special message. Quick cook wagon.
You know, we're there on the gully side, as you can see, with intense. You know the thing loud about the crowd, fully intense.
All right, quick cook. For those who might not know, tell us a little bit about yourself.
You know, Quick Cook is a youth who born and grow. Cassava Piece, Kingston 8. So I say, you know, we go short to practice in school. And you don't know, we take it to a different level from there. So we either go done known, so we just advance and say music. Yeah. So I say, yeah.
Nice. So you have a new single out now, right, called World Crisis. Tell us a little bit about that.
No, World Crisis is a song, but then I'm house about 4:39. A reason and a whole of vibes. And I say, there is so much things going on in the world. You know, so I go sing a song. Because you know, I work off of energy. I just get up and sing something. So I come to boom and pick up my phone, contact an engineer. I don't get him. But I see him on line and I come to boom and knock a next engineer and him pick up. So I voice note him and say, yeah, you hear me? You know, say, did it? I have a vision, you know. And this is all about, I just give him the concept. Because I see big things on the internet. What go on? I just tell him what I tell him, and him just send a rhythm come. And so I hear the rhythm, I come say boom and contact a singer. When I contact a singer and say, yo, you know more you sing a hook on this. Him never take me serious. Okay. So I just move on and contact a youth named Terran. And send him the rhythm and I say, find a hook on this, because you know I have the chorus quick and fast. And him comes say boom and so when him send come, I just say, hear more you do. You have the right energy, power it up and come forward. And a history. You know, I come to boom and go into the studio, the engineers are link up 4 o'clock, radiant, and I just dead upon time. And here comes a hit song. Nice. World Crisis.
Nice, Quick Cook. Alright, so the song is called World Crisis and it's based on the COVID-19 crisis that's happening
True,
now, right?
true.
Alright, so what was the most impactful thing about this crisis for you that made you get up and do the song?
The most impacting when I see church lock, school lock, I never witnessed this yet, and if I tell you my age, I can't believe, but no time to discuss that. Bread! You see what I say? And to what I say I go on, is a different thing I experience, what I never experienced. So I see say life change. So the whole system, people massing up. Fighting for food, fighting in line, can't go out, and all these things. You have to come up with something as a musician.
Very, very true.
And it's a powerful message.
Very true. So as a musician, you know, usually you know would promote like at parties, events, stage shows, you know, performing, stuff like that. In these times you can't really do stuff like that, right? So how do you keep relevant in a time like this?
Literally speaking, you know, I keep relevant, you know. You see that thing you name internet, and my youth beside me, baby fast. We have to keep relevant. Because I just see him around. Activity, everything will go on. The current strong. Literally speaking, COVID, it's no problem to me. You know? Yes, when I say we have to give and take, and we expect anything in life. So we don't expect this, because you can't just go through and buck up an obstacle. You know? So this is an obstacle where we have to reminisce in our head and remember the next 200 years, COVID-19, because she set a thing around here. You know?
Very true.
Well, me and you have to just know, say, that's how it thing said. History have to repeat. Yeah, you have to expect greatness, you know, because Quick Cook always have positive music, happy music. And we don't sing music to distract the youth, you know. Anything where you hear Quick Cook utter, a serious thing. I wake up this morning and I get a phone call, said 4 police officers get shot up over in Spanish Town. We sing about this before it even happen. I have a single out there, Pressures of Life.
So me know them no know where life works, enough time start. Pressures of life get so hard.
We sing music to uplift the youth them. And the youth them who see in the street like them youth and the youth them from Cassava Piece, Gully Side, Yellow View. Them give me inspiration. Because when I left here, so I have to left here with a different energy and idea. You in front of me. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Ashley. Everything Ash about her.
Okay. Alright, Quick Cook, what is the most intense thing about you?
Right now, the most intense thing about me right now, my energy, you know, always intense, you know, just like how you hear, you know. I laugh and all the vibes are the most intense. Cause this is all about quick cooking, you know. We like to see people happy. And the most intense thing about me. Because if you're not happy, it don't make no sense.
Yeah.
So the whole thing, look around it. Could the kids them, video man shine the light on the kids them around, they make the world see. Quick.
Quick, well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And we have a single out here now, you know, because we can't stop talking about this, you know, because we have a lot to talk about. We have a thing when name Chop Hard. We chop the road hard. Quick Cook featuring Brico. Chop Hard, Google Foreign away, Lockyard. So people are one of the hot singles them. Video soon come. Less than 3 minutes. World Crisis, video soon come. Pressures of Life, video, it's out there. So all you have to do is Google Quick Cook and you find everything on the net board. Quick, Google me.
Nice. Thank you so much, Quick Cook.
Yeah, man.
Good.
Quick. We're the organization to the world.